Welcome to the international headquarters of AZ Arizona Realty Group. Last week we were talking about the importance of changing your light bulbs and having your light bulbs matched before listing your house. Terry, what are we going to talk about this week?
Lori, this week we're talking about your HVAC filters. You would be amazed at the number of buyers we take out that look up and see a dirty, gunky filter and go, wow, they must not take very good care of this house. Look how dirty their filter is. It doesn't need to be an expensive filter, and in fact, they recommend using the cheapest ones, but replace them on a monthly basis.
I even use this to filter out Terry every now and then.
Ha ha ha, aren't you funny? Hey, big weekend for my University of Montana Grizzly football team. They're playing that other Montana team. So we're hoping the lucky tie works again this week. Go Grizz.
Bye now.
Bye-bye.